If you are facing the issue where your official WhatsApp account is not working properly, well, today in this video we'll be guiding you on how to solve it in just a minute. Now, let's talk about the issue that arises when you try to use your official WhatsApp account and encounter a login problem. This usually happens when you've been using unofficial and third-party versions of WhatsApp that aren't authorized, or if there are any bugs in your WhatsApp. So let's move on to the process to solve it. First method is simply delete WhatsApp app and go to App Store and download the latest version of the WhatsApp. And even after downloading the latest WhatsApp, if the problem persists, move on to the next step. Go to Settings. Now go to General and tap on iPhone Storage and search for WhatsApp and tap on it. On here, you'll find Offload app. After tapping it, you'll find an option to reinstall the app. By simply doing this process, what it does is, it will delete all the cache files and data and freshly reinstall the app, which might fix the issue that you are facing. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.